Hi there, we're a family from Ukraine. My name's Andrew and I'm a photographer and photo editor. This young lady is
Hi.
Marian, she's my wife and she is a medic. This young boy
Hi.
is our son, his name is Andrew and he's 13 and he is a schoolboy. Also there is our older son, his name is Roman, he is a student and he's having classes at this moment. So this war, this cruel war, has been going on for more than a year and it's really very exhausting, especially when missiles are flying over your head and hit next to your house. All this situation makes Ukrainians feel tired and exhausted, and mentally exhausted, I would say so. That's why many Ukrainians are looking for a quiet and safe place to stay. As far as you know, Europe is overcrowded with refugees, and not only with Ukrainian refugees. So we would be very happy if someone could help us to come to the United States by Uniting for Ukraine program. We do not pretend for any financial support, just simple help. We are good and kind people, friendly people. We are ready to work and to move forward. We really appreciate everything you do to help Ukraine and Ukrainians. And I guess it would be not so easy for Ukrainians to stand tall for such a long period of time without your support and help. You know, there is a quote by David Herbert Lawrence, and it sounds like, "I never saw a wild thing sorry for itself. A small bird will drop frozen dead from a bough without ever having felt sorry for itself." And this is about Ukrainians today. Well, thank you for everything you do. God bless you all. God bless Ukraine and Ukrainians. Have a great day and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.